Digital Humanities, Opportunities for Collaboration and Creative Production in the Library, a video explainer by Liz Bloodworth. This video aims to first provide a general introduction to the field of digital humanities, offering an overview of definitions, disciplines, and computing tools. Next, the video will explain how academic libraries can serve as the center of digital humanities research on campus and what roles librarians play within the field. Finally, the video will discuss the benefits of this scholarship. What is digital humanities? In general, digital humanities, or DH, refers to any humanities research that employs computing tools. Coined in 2004, DH replaced an earlier term, humanities computing. Nearly 20 years later, DH remains complicated to define because the ever-expanding field encompasses work from multiple disciplines and utilizes continuously evolving technologies. The website whatisdigitalhumanities.com allows users to explore more than 800 unique definitions of DH collected as part of the Day of DH. Patrick Murray John, currently the Associate Director for Systems at Northeastern University's Digital Scholarship Group, provides the definition shown here. Quote, "Short definition, taking the humanities, smashing it into computers, and seeing what happens." End quote. On that same website, Ellie Milonis, head of the Digital Scholarship Lab and Digital Studio at Brown University, defines DH as, quote, "Digital humanities is the intersection of work in the humanities, research, teaching, writing, with technology, tools, networks, interactions, when the practitioner is consciously exploring a humanistic subject and a technological method at the same time." End quote. Nearly 2 decades after its founding, DH continues to be seen as an emerging field, marked by its multidisciplinary and collaborative nature. According to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Documentation, Library and Information Sciences represents one of the dominant disciplines participating in DH work. Other leading disciplines include computer science, linguistics, literature, and the arts and humanities. DH researchers typically work in groups composed of scholars with different disciplinary backgrounds who combine their unique expertise to create tangible results in the form of digital scholarship. Examples of these results include online exhibits, 3D models, and interactive maps. In creating DH projects, scholars turn to a variety of technology tools depending on individual research goals. Researchers may participate in text mining using OpenRefine, content management using Omeka, GIS mapping using StoryMaps, data visualization using RStudio, or Python programming using Anaconda. The tools mentioned here represent just a few of the possibilities that exist for DH scholarship. Tools like these allow researchers to analyze data in ways that would have been extremely difficult before computers. Academic libraries often serve as a natural home for DH scholarship. Libraries already support interdisciplinary research through their collections and ability to connect to campus resources, making them an ideal place for such work. Accordingly, some university libraries, such as those at Yale and San Diego State, physically house centers to support DH research efforts. Librarians' roles within DH can be summed up into 3 parts: collaboration, project management, and knowledge production. Librarians often serve as research collaborators within the digital humanities. DH scholarship frequently calls upon skills librarians use regularly, such as knowledge of emerging technologies and experience managing and analyzing data. With these skills, librarians serve as ideal partners in DH instruction for undergraduate students, sharing their knowledge of computing tools and scholarly resources. Furthermore, they often advise faculty conducting DH research, imparting their expertise in data analysis and technology. Librarians also assist in DH research as project managers. To adequately move research forward, librarians must first understand the project life cycle, which contends that a project starts with an idea, grows into a startup, moves into the implementation phase, and finally ends with sustainability considerations. Librarians should tailor their DH consultations to foster relationship building with researchers, gauge their progress, connect them to campus resources, and help them plan for the next stage in the project lifecycle. Many librarians move beyond research support to become knowledge producers, engaging in DH research themselves. For example, a librarian-led team used crowdsourcing to develop a dictionary of Ming Dynasty titles. DH projects like these produce tangible results that allow librarians the opportunity to redefine their role in the academy from passive supporters to active creators. To prepare for DH librarianship, you must monitor the DH landscape, watching for new project examples and research methods. Familiarize yourself with commonly used technology tools to share during consultations and instruction sessions. Learn about the project lifecycle and how to best facilitate progress. Be aware of resources and services available at your institution and connect interested researchers where appropriate. The promotion of DH on campus can result in a variety of benefits for academic libraries. For one, librarians can raise awareness of the library's collections and resources, encouraging scholars to use archives and other unique items in their research. Furthermore, digital humanities allows librarians to enhance academic scholarship in the digital environment and provide experiential learning opportunities for students. To learn more about DH, check out the resources listed here and in the video description. Thank you for watching.